So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find out all the logged in devices of your WhatsApp on the latest first WhatsApp versions. You can easily check that. Now in order to do it, simply open your WhatsApp and go to the settings section in the below right corner, or if you have the Android, you just need to go to your profile option, and here you need to find the option of linked devices. Here you can see it's right there on the top section. Just simply click on the linked devices, and here you'll see the devices that are linked to your WhatsApp. You can see the two windows are connected to my WhatsApp. Either I can link another device, or I can remove any of the device I want. For example, if I select this one and hit log out, it will directly log out the WhatsApp from that particular device. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.